Hello guys, this is Slow Hustle. If you are new on this channel, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. The importance of this is I don't want you to miss any of my updates. Okay, whenever I have new content for you that will teach you how to make money, how to earn money from online or even offline, you should be alerted or you should be notified immediately. So that is the importance of subscribing to this channel. When you subscribe, click on the notification icon on the notification bell and turn it on. Okay, so now let's head into our today's video. So previously I made a video on how I made 1 million naira from Lionshare within 10 days. Okay, within 10 days, it's within a week. Okay, I was able to make 1 million naira from it. So ever since I dropped the video, there's so many comments that I didn't give some details about it. I didn't do this, I didn't do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and explain the Lionshare now. So I'll just go to their site. They have a website called lionshare.io. Okay, lionshare.io. Now first, what is Lionshare all about? Lionshare is a smart contract, okay, operating on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you've heard of Forsage, Million Money and the like, so Lionshare is just like Forsage. Okay, they operate on the smart contract on the Ethereum. This means they are decentralized. They don't have a central admin. Unlike investment sites whereby they have an admin and they can disappear later, this cannot disappear. Okay, and this is like a peer-to-peer crowdfunding site. Okay, when you refer people, you get paid and all of that. So this is subdivided into two groups. We have the L1, which is Lionshare 1, and we have the L2, which stands for Lionshare 2. So I'm going to focus on Lionshare 1 in this video today. Okay, I'm going to focus on Lionshare 1. That is what I'm going to explain for you guys. So this is the site right here. Let's scroll down a bit and see what it is. So you can see it's 100% decentralized. Lionshare is a peer-to-peer matrix platform. All payments go directly to members. You will never have company mismanage your funds. Okay, that is one advantage of participating in a program like this. 100% of the money is going to the members. Okay, you never have an admin or a company or anything to mismanage your fund or run away with your money. That is one good thing about it. Okay, anonymity. We don't collect any of your personal information during the sign up process. There is no KYC information collected ever. This is your business and your company. Okay, now if you want to stay anonymous, nobody can get information about you. The only thing they can see is just your number, the ID number once you register. So and the ID number, they can use it to view your account and see how much you've made, but they wouldn't know who is behind it. Okay, who is really behind it, that they can't access your wallet and check so many things. So it's verified smart contract, never changing compensation plan. The compensation plan is the same. Okay, unlike offline or unlike other businesses that are managed by people. Okay, when things starts to have a downturn or thereabouts, they tends to change things and change the compensation plan. Okay, this is fixed. That is the way it's going to operate. 100% transparency, simple and duplicatable, affordable to the masses, and all of that. Okay, so let's go down a bit. So you could see here this Lionshare 1. Okay, this comp plan for Lionshare 1 L1. So you can see that the first payment on this slot right here, I don't know which slot this is signifying, but you can see the first payment on this slot is your money. You can see that there's a wallet sign on it. Okay, there's a wallet, and that's so that you save it. Okay, 100% on the payments of this slot. Okay, you save 100% on this also, but this is recycled. You can see it's recycled and auto reinvest into this slot. Okay, so I have a document that I've prepared to explain it step by step for us so that we can understand it better. So I'll be going to that document now. I'll be explaining to you guys once and for all. So let's do justice to this. Okay, awesome. So I'll just scroll up and start the explanation. Okay, this is Lionshare 1. Lionshare 1, that L1. Okay, we have the L1 and the L2. Okay, now this explanation is going to focus on the L1 alone. Now this is the slot 1. Okay, first thing to register for Lionshare is 0.04 Ethereum. Okay, 0.04 Ethereum. That is not plenty, that is not much at all. It is pretty affordable. So let me just search 0.04 Ethereum. Oh shit. Okay, sorry. So let's use the normal way we do it to USD. Okay, so it's about $12. Okay, you can see it's about $12, but you will be needing more than this. Okay, because the gas fee is the cost for transaction on the Ethereum smart contract. The gas fee is very high right now, so you might be needing about 0.1 Ethereum. Okay, 0.1 Ethereum, that's about $32. Now the platform is not going to take all of this money. Okay, it won't be taking more than $15 or $16, so the rest, like half of it, will still be in your account after your registration, but you just need that kind of amount so that it will be able to fuel the transaction so that it can go through. Okay, and that is how much the registration cost. So moving on from that, let's see the compensation plan for the Lion Share one, which is L1. So this is the level 1. Now, first thing I need you to understand is those that are yellow are those that you are paying out to your sponsor, while these that are white, they are the ones that goes into your savings. Okay, so we are going to assume that this is going to be us. Okay, this yellow up here. Okay, that is where we are. Then we have downlines. So this work in circle. So each 3 times, like each time you refer 3 people, that's a circle. Okay, so if you refer to the circle, so the billing period is on 3 referrals. Okay, so that is why it has 3 down legs here. Let's say you refer 3 people here. Okay, you refer 3 people on the level 1. Now there's this misconception that if you refer 3 people on level 1, you move to level 2, you refer 3 people. No, that is not how it works. At whichever level you are, if you refer anybody, they are starting from level 1 under you. Okay, because they are still new, you can't just register and just join on level 2. How about their level 1? Okay, everybody starts from level 1. Let's say you refer your first 3 people. Okay, now the first one, you don't get paid for it. The money goes to your sponsor. Now I'm supposed to put this sponsor up here, but pardon me. So the money goes to your sponsor, or the person that referred you. Okay, these other 2, the money goes directly to your wallet. Okay, your private wallet. Maybe if you're using Trust Wallet, using MetaMask, using Token Pocket, or whichever one, or Coinbase, whichever one you are using, the money goes directly to your wallet. You can withdraw it immediately. You see it, you can withdraw it. Okay, you just sell it to an exchanger and get your money cash. Okay, that is how it works. For each 3 people you bring on the level 1, you get paid for 2, you don't get paid for 1. So, and I think it's on the first one you don't get paid. So let's say you bring in 9 people to your level 1 alone, so you get paid for 6, then you don't get paid for 3. The 3 goes to your upline. Now let's say we're using 3 for example, you got paid for these 2 totals up to 0.4. Okay, 0.4. Let's say you have some money in your wallet, then you upgrade to this level, you purchase this level. Okay, or you buy this level 2. Now this level 2 now is going to cost you 0.05 to buy it. Okay, no, it's 0.05 for there, but yeah, 0.05 to buy it. Then after you buy this, whichever person that you refer on this level 2, or whichever of your downlines that moves to level 2, because everybody is joining you under your level 1. Okay, let's say you have 9 people here, so if one of them moves to level 2, that person also brought in people or has money and upgrade to level 2. Now for the first person that upgrades to level 2 out of your downline, you get paid this. Okay, but the money doesn't go to your wallet. Okay, it goes to your sponsor. Okay, for the second person, you get paid 0.05, but the money doesn't go to your wallet. Okay, it goes directly to your sponsor. So for the third person, you get paid 0.05, the money goes directly to your wallet. Okay, that's on the level 2. You get paid for 1 out of 3. Okay, you get paid 1 out of 3 people, you get paid. Okay, so if you refer 3 people, you are getting paid for 1. Okay, so that being said, let's move on to the level 3. Here is the level 3. Now using the explanation I've explained all the way here, this should be self-explanatory, that this 2 is going to your sponsor. Okay, the first 2 is going to your sponsor, then the last one is going to you. That's on the level 3. The first 2 is going to your sponsor, the last one or the third one is going to you, and you are earning 0.01 Ethereum from whichever person here. Okay, so let's say you bring in 9 people, like 9 of your downline move to level 3, so you only get paid for 3. 6 is going to your upline. I hope you understand. Okay, now let's move on to level 4. If you don't understand any of this at any point, just feel free to drop a comment. Okay, or reach out to me. Now this is level 4. On the level 4, the first one is 0.2. Here it is 0.2 Ethereum, and this is getting to serious money. On the level 2, or level 4, sorry, on the level 4 you get paid 0.2 for each of your downline. Now the first one will go to your sponsor, the remaining 2 is for you. Okay, the remaining 2 is for you. Now on the level 5, the first one as well goes to your sponsor, the remaining 2 goes to your wallet. Okay, so if you have 9 people on this level 5, 3 goes to your sponsor, 6 goes to your wallet, 100%. Now on the level 6, you don't pay your sponsor on this level 6. Okay, you don't pay your sponsor, everything goes to your wallet, everything goes to your wallet. Okay, you don't pay your sponsor here. Now this paying of sponsor and everything, they are automatically, okay, just happen on its own. You don't have to be bothered. Whenever it's your turn to get it, you just get it automatically to your wallet. Okay, so that's one of the advantages of this business. Okay, now on the level that we are done with level 6, now on the level 7, okay, now the first 2, this is half of an Ethereum. Okay, this is about $150 or thereabouts. So the first 2 goes to your sponsor, right? The first 2 goes to your sponsor, while the last one goes directly to your wallet. Okay, so out of every 3 that you have, 1 is yours, 2 goes to your sponsor. Out of every 3, so if you have 9 here, that is 3 in 3s. Okay, so 3 goes to you, 6 goes to your upline. On the level 8, same as well, 2 goes to your sponsor, 1 goes to your wallet. Okay, that's on the level 8. Now on the level 9, you don't give any commission, you don't pay out any commission, everything goes to your wallet, everything goes to your wallet directly, so you're keeping 100% profit. Now this is how this Lionshare 1 works. Okay, although we have about 16 levels, so I just explained this to 9. So if you see the chart, you can just continue, just keep on checking the values. Okay, it's just simple as the way I explained it right here. But there's this little misconception that people have, that what if I join and I'm unable to refer anybody, am I still going to earn? Yes, you can earn if you don't refer anybody. All you have to do is invest into the L2. Okay, now the L2 will be the next video. This is just only about L1. Okay, now one thing again that you need to know is, nobody, you don't, if you refer 3, that doesn't mean that you can't refer again. Okay, it doesn't mean that if you refer 3, you move automatically to level 2. Okay, now if you refer 20 and you are seeing your level 1, nobody will force you to move. Okay, the system will move you automatically. You have to purchase the level 2 yourself before you can move there. Okay, and one of the disadvantages of delaying purchasing higher level is, if your downline upgrade to a higher level than you, then you miss the commission. What am I trying to say? Okay, let's say you have 3 downlines here, they paid you. Okay, you keep the profits, you didn't upgrade, then one of your downline now upgraded to level 2 while you are still in your level 1, then you are supposed to earn from the downline right here, then you don't earn from it. The commission will just go, you lose the commission for that level, for that particular downline. Okay, that is why you need to upgrade where as at when due. Okay, you upgrade before your downline, before any one of them upgrade, you make sure that you upgrade. Okay, you can't keep them waiting, so you have to upgrade, and overtaking is allowed. If you are not upgrading, your downlines will upgrade and move their business. Okay, so this is how the L1 works. Now if you want to get started, if you think this is for you, that you want to make some money through Lionshare and all of that, or you have further questions, feel free to contact me. Okay, I'll be ready 247 to answer whichever question that you might have on Lionshare. So, and you can check, if you need some things to convince you, you can watch my video on how I made $1 million from it within a week. Okay, it's right here, how I made $1 million from it, $1 million within a week. Okay, so you can watch the video out and see how real and legitimate this is. So once again, this is Slow Hustle. Do not forget to subscribe, okay, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you and bye for now.